Welcome to the channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to play our favorite nursery rhyme, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, and we'll be learning the chords, and I'll teach you a strumming pattern, and then we'll have a sing-along at the end of the video so you can practice. The chords that I'll be playing this song on are C, F, G7. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now, I played the song just playing an easy, steady beat, and that's an easy way to learn how to play the ukulele. Instead of trying to play the song and sing and play a strumming pattern, you can play the song and just play a nice, steady beat. So I'll teach you how to do that, and then I'll also teach you a fun strumming pattern that you can play with this song. Let's start with playing the song in the right pattern. So we're going to be coming back to C. Every time we play F, every time we play G7, we're going to end up coming back to our home chord of C. So an easy way to practice doing that is actually to do a little practice. So we're going to go C 4 times, and then we're going to play F 4 times, and then we're going to come back to C. Let's try that with C to G7 to C. Here we go. C, G7, C. Now let's try changing chords between C and F on just 2 beats each. Let's do it together. Here we go. C, F, C. Let's do that with the G7 chord, okay? Here we go. C, G7, C. Fantastic! I think you know what comes next. Now we're going to switch every beat. So we're going to go C, F, C, and then we'll go C, G7, C. Let's try that together. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. C, F, C, C, G7, C. Now we're ready to play Twinkle Little Star. Let's look at the pattern. So we're going to play the C chord 4 times. Twinkle, twinkle. And then for Little Star, we're going to play F 2 times. Little, and down to star, down to C for star. Star. And then we're going to switch to G7, how I, and C on wonder, wonder. Back to G7 for 2 times, what you, and back to C, are. Let's play all that together. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. All right, let's look at the next section. It goes like this. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So we're going to be playing each chord 2 times in the pattern of C to F to C to G7. Then C and repeat. Let's try that together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Now let's do the whole song on a steady beat. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, Now you're ready to learn the strumming pattern. All right, the strumming pattern is a little tricky because the strumming pattern is going to be 4 beats. But sometimes in the song, as you notice, we're switching every 2 beats. So we're going to have to learn how to play the strumming pattern through the change of the chords. And so let's practice the strumming pattern first on each of the chords, and then we'll work on putting it with the song. So we're going to start with the C chord. And the strumming pattern that I like to use for this is down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's try it 4 times on each chord. So let's do it on C. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Great. Let's do it on the F chord. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's move to the G7 chord. Don't forget to breathe. All right, here we go. 1, 2, ready, and down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Great. Now we're going to play through the whole song on that pattern, and just keep going. If you mess up, just keep trying, pick up that pattern, and use this as a practice so you can really nail playing the strumming pattern with the chord changes. All right, let's put all the strumming patterns together with the chord changes, and we're going to give you 2 patterns of C so that we can all start singing together. 1, 2, here we go. Great, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it helped you learn how to strum and sing and play Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. I hope you'll subscribe and come back for more fun music lessons, ukulele tutorials.